Hello students. Now the third topic, Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. I hope you have ever read a comic book. You know, a comic book means what? There is a set of stories that mainly through pictures. So pictures are there. On the basis of that pictures, we have to read that story. So such a comical and funny story we are going to share today. So the name of the story is Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. So if you observe the first picture, you will come to know that when it was the season for hilsa fish, a kind of fish, that is, fishermen could think of nothing but hilsa fish. So as we know that when there is a season for hilsa fish, and everyone, no fisherman could think none other than hilsa fish, means only what was there in the mind just about hilsa fish. So let's see in the market of the hilsa fish what they are saying. Fishmongers. Fishmongers means one who sell the fish. Sold nothing but hilsa fish. In the market only the variety of hilsa fish only will get. So what they are saying, come buy. The price of hilsa fish is down today. So the price of the hilsa fish is very less today. Next one picture, if you observe, householders could think of nothing but hilsa fish. So the people and the buyers also think about hilsa fish. One of the ladies asking the price, how much did you pay for that hilsa? You wouldn't believe it if I told you. So fishmongers is saying to that lady, you would not believe if I tell you the price of hilsa fish. The last picture, if you observe, and in the palace too, the courtiers means the people which are present in the palace, could discuss nothing but hilsa fish. So what they are saying, that ministers, see, your majesty is a respective word for king, you should have seen the huge hilsa I caught. It was. So the king was surprised. All the matters in the kingdom were now stopped, and only the people, even the courtiers also, were talking about the hilsa fish. Next, now king got annoyed. He was very angry, and in that picture you come to know, stop it. He said, stop it now. Are you a courtier or a fisherman? So he was telling that, he was asking to the fisherman, to the courtiers, are you courtiers or are you fisherman? So that kind of tragedy was going into the palace, into the kingdom. The courtier fell silent with downcast eyes. Downcast eyes means they felt very sad. They are ashamed of their activities, and the king felt guilty, and king was also feeling guilty over the annoyedness. I'm sorry, I lost my temper. It is the season for hilsa fish and no one. So he was also felt sorry for that. Why he felt sorry? Because season is of hilsa fish, and there is only talk about hilsa fish. So finally the king said, not even Gopal can stop anyone from taking about hilsa fish, not even for 5 minutes. So if you want to distract the people for 5 minutes, even Gopal could not do that things. It means king was also fed up with the situation, that no one can divert the people or divert the mind of the people, whatever their mind is set, that only what is going on in their mind, that is about hilsa fish. Oh, I think I could, your majesty. But Gopal said, oh, I think I could, मुझे लगता है कि मैं कर सकता हूँ, I can, I could, your majesty. Gopal accept the challenge of the king. Then let me see you buy a huge hilsa and bring it to the palace without anyone being asked a word about it. So king challenged him. He told him that buy a huge hilsa and bring it to the palace, but one thing you should have to take care of, that one, no one should dare to speak or a little word about that hilsa while you are bringing that hilsa to the palace. I accept. the challenge, your majesty. And Gopal said that one, yes, of course, obviously, I'll accept the challenge. A few days later, कुछ दिनों बाद क्या हुआ देखो, why is your face half shaven? The wife of Gopal is asking because he had shaven his face half. I'm dressing up to buy a fish. So he was telling that when I'm dressing this kind of way because I'm going to buy a hilsa. The wife said, what's the matter with you? Why are you smearing yourself with ash? Smearing means he was applying ash to his face. So she was asking that why you are smearing your face into the ash. I told you I'm dressing up to buy a hilsa fish. So he told that one, I'm just making that kind of dressing just to buy a hilsa fish. Listen to me, please. You can't possibly go out in those disgraceful rags. What are you up to? तुम क्या करने जा रहे हो? If you are going in these disgraceful rags, rags means the torn clothes or the way he was living, the dirty manner. If you go out, definitely it will be difficult for you. Again, Gopal said, how many times must I tell you? Women, I am out to buy a huge hilsa fish. He was telling again and again, I'm just out to buy a hilsa fish. It's happened to him. He's gone mad. So she's telling that something had happened wrong and he was going mad. The wife of Gopal Singh. Next, what happens? See, Gopal bought the hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. Now he bought a huge hilsa fish and started to moving towards the palace. The people around him was telling, see, mother, look at that man. Isn't he comical? One of the boys saying that one, the man you are looking at, isn't it look funny? The boy is telling to his mother, ही मस्ट बी अ मैडमैन. तो कुछ लोगों कहने लगे कि मुझे लगता है कि पागल इंसान है. आई सेड ही इज़ अ मिस्टिक. किसी ने कहा कि मुझे लगता है ये मिस्टिक मीन्स अ पर्सन हु इज़ मिस्टिक, a comical funny person. Next one, when Gopal reached the court, what do you want? The guard was saying, I want to see the king. He told that one, he wanted to meet the king. You can't see the king, get away from here. They rejected. They did not want to enter the Gopal into the palace. Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. As he was very clever, he started to dance. He started to dance before the palace. Inside the palace now, king was listening. The man is crazy. Throw him out at once. I want to see the king. Let me in. Gopal is saying, let me go in. But the other people and the king is saying that one, the man is crazy. The courtiers are saying, the guards are saying, the man is crazy. Pagal lag raha hai. Throw him out at once. The king said, finally, bring that man to me at once. उसे पेश किया जाए मेरे सामने. Yes, your majesty. The guard accepted and he went to bring the Gopal inside the palace. Gopal was brought before the king. It's Gopal, king said. No, one of the courtiers said, it's Gopal, ये तो अपना गोपाल है. The man has lost his mind. कुछ लोग कहने लगे ये पागल हो चुका है. I think it's one of his crazy jokes. मुझे लगता है कि ये उसकी कुछ चाल होगी. Then, all right, Gopal. Out with it. Why are you dressed up in the ridiculous fashion? The king finally asked. Why you came here in this ridiculous manner? Gopal finally replied. Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. मुझे लगता है आप कुछ भूल रहे हो. You seems to have forgotten something. Forgotten something? King was surprised. Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in Hilsa fish today. आपको ये जान के खुशी होगी. No one is interested in Hilsa fish today. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about Hilsa fish. Not a single soul, not a single man had talked about Hilsa fish, and that is the challenge I accept from you. And finally, only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to Gopal, and finally he noticed that what happened and why did he came in that disgraceful manner to the court before the king. He started to say, ha ha ha, well, Gopal, congratulations, you have achieved the impossible once again. So finally, Gopal wins the challenge. Guys, you know that one. Such kind of stories are famous of Akbar and Birbal about his court. In next session, definitely we'll discuss about the question and answers of the question of this story. Once again, I request you to stay at home, stay happy, stay healthy, and take care. Have a good day.